What kind of tomorrow do you want to shape? A connected world, working together to prosper and thrive? Well, if you want an exciting career where you can contribute to something bigger than yourself, becoming a chartered accountant, CASA, puts you in a position to make a real difference, giving you the skills and perspectives to build the tomorrow you want. How? Because becoming a CASA is your passport to changing the world. As difference makers, CASAs have the skills, knowledge, and insight to drive business decisions that help create the better societies, economies, and communities for a more prosperous future for us all. Being the head and heart of a business, CASAs are not only able to run companies. 74% of JSE's top 200 company chief financial officers, CFOs, and almost a third of JSE's top 40 CEOs are CASA. They are able to start their own companies and be their own boss too. And that means you can make your passion a reality. A highly promising and varied career. As a CASA, you can work in just about any industry of choice, in all fields of business and finance, and more specifically, in auditing, tax, financial management, information technology, management accounting, forensic accounting and insolvency, as well as academia, public and private sector, NGOs, and more. An internationally recognized career. Improving your chances of being headhunted by top employers throughout your career. Holding prestigious positions in the private and public sector and in academia. Contributing to making South Africa a better place through giving back in a number of different ways. Hi, my name is Ntato Silibi, Project Director at the South African Institute of Chartered Accountants, SAICA for short. And today I want to tell you about how you can become a CASA. So let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to know is that the minimum requirements for university admission to a CA stream BCom degree are a level 5 pass in mathematics, together with a national senior certificate with a bachelor's pass. You need to take pure mathematics as a subject, not maths literacy. You need to pass it well. That means achieving 60% or more. You also need a good grounding in English, as it will help you to understand the concepts you will study. Many learners believe that having accounting as a school subject is compulsory to study towards your degree. While it can help you in your studies towards your degree, it isn't compulsory. Now let's talk universities. If you want to be a CASA, you need to ensure that the university you're applying to offers a BCom qualification that is accredited by the South African Institute of Chartered Accountants, SAICA. A full list of universities that offer SAICA accredited BCom accountancy programs can be found on SAICA's website, www.saica.co.za. Once you've completed the 3-year undergraduate degree, you'll need to obtain a certificate in the theory of accounting, CTA or honors equivalent. This is a postgraduate course and focuses on accounting, auditing, taxation and financial management. It takes a minimum of 1 year to complete and must be completed at a SAICA accredited university. Okay, so now you have both your academic degrees, the BCom and the CTA. It's time to get real-world working experience. Following your CTA, you'll enter into a 3-year training contract with a SAICA registered training office. During your training, you must pass 2 qualifying examinations: the initial test of competence, ITC, and the assessment of professional competence, APC. If you pass everything first time, the entire qualification process takes about 7 years from the time you enter university. Now I know what you're thinking. 7 years minimum? It does seem a long time, but trust me, it's worth it. When you're a qualified CASA, the doors to making a real difference in the world will open. That's because the CASA designation equips you with exceptional commercial acumen, professional skepticism, critical thinking, and the ethical framework you need to shape your world. And that means you don't just have to do traditional accounting work. Studying to become a CA opens a lot of doors here in South Africa and internationally. The world is literally your oyster. The bottom line is, if you choose well and work smart, you too can be a difference maker because you're a CASA.